What is up, guys? Check this out. We are here with the Humane Society car with the signatures, and look at this. We got Andreas. We brought an artist. I can't draw, so we're gonna let him put the Trap My Ride logo on the car. So we brought a professional. Let's check him out.
Oh, okay. Open that back up. I'll find it. I'll find it.
There you go. He's gonna put the logo on it. He's looking for a good spot. Yeah. Dre's gonna hook us up, man. You should be able to tap that screen too.
There we go.
Yeah. We got the pressure on him. He wasn't expecting this. He come back in from his break, and I said, Dre, do me a favor, man. He is like, all right, I'll do it. So it's just impromptu. We put him on the spot.
I'm not looking, I'm letting it go.
We got this.
He does too. You already know. Man, it's looking good already. Oh, snap. And I always say, paint is better than a sticker any day.
Every day.
Any day. I'd much rather have paint. And you know, this is for a great cause, man.
Yes, it is. I shared Rick's post when they did their final total last year. What did you have? 4,000 something?
That's pretty awesome, man.
1,036.81.
Yeah, dude, that's awesome.
No, that was last year. We didn't start till the end of July, first week of September. So this year, I hope they do great this year.
Check him out, check him out. He's looking good. We're gonna go, while Dre's doing that, we're gonna go around and look at all the signatures, guys. Let's get them all. Let's see if we can get them all. There's so many. Excuse me, guys.
What's left of you drive?
Got another artist up here. She's working on a piece. Oh, excuse me.
You're fine. You're fine. You're good.
Let's see what she's doodling. Oh, look at that. We'll have to come back and look at that. Yeah, that'd be interesting. Real neat. Standing on the bumper, be careful. We got some more back here. Look at that, guys. All for our beloved pets. Look at those. Man, even the top's getting full. It's starting to get up there. They're all adding up, guys, look. Pretty soon you won't be able to even see any of the black. There'll be signatures on top of signatures. Hopefully by the end of the summer. Woo, but it's coming along, look. All the ones up here. Yeah, I know it's gonna look so good.
Yes.
You guys are having a blast out here, aren't you,
Yes,
Jessica?
I am. It was a good show.
Great time. Damn, he's got so many signatures on here. Look at this, page after page. It's all lining and adding up.
So what are you guys doing? That's what tonight.
Oh man, you see him. It's way better than the little doodle I did. Yeah. See, that's the difference when you bring a professional and then you just do it yourself.
Yeah.
We'll have to show the comparison because we have the do-it-yourself signature, and then we'll show the professional signature up here a little bit.
Yep.
And Nicole's truck's back here, isn't it? Her truck's back here, right? The back glass in that thing kills me. Well, no, really not glass, is it? It's just bars in the back of it,
Oh,
in the
yeah.
back window. That's,
Yeah.
that's real neat.
Well, I could have be some plexiglass. That way she
Uh-huh.
can stick it in if it's really cold. out.
Oh yeah. Oh, so she's got one that she can stick in
Yeah,
there and at least
yeah.
fit. Definitely unique. You don't see that. It's a good
Yeah.
touch. You know, I said it won't be long, and you won't see the black anymore. It'll be signatures on signatures.
You know what?
That's such a good thing. Yeah, there you go. Give you a reason to get another car.
Yeah.
Is-
That's what's gonna happen.
Yeah. Or you just get one big limo.
You're the guy that says, you want to sign?
Ooh, look. Dre's got it. He's Scottish today, guys. He killed this. Oh, yeah.
There we go.
I love it, man. That looks great. Oh, yeah. You know, it's not really polite to look over people's shoulder when they're working.
Oh, it's all good.
So we're gonna be rude today, a little bit.
Hello.
I love it. It's great.
This is dope.
Yeah, it is.
There you go, buddy.
All right. Thank you, brother.
No problem.
I love it, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. Another shout out to Andreas, Dedication Car Club, guys. We had a great time. Look, now this is what happens when you have a professional compared to when you do it yourself. Do it yourself versus professional. Much better.
See this car. When
Uh,
you see this car, donate the dollar. You
Yeah.
don't sign your name, donate the dollar.
Yeah, definitely. It's
Definitely
great,
do
guys.
that.
You see it. All right, guys, we're getting out of here. South Bend Auto Show 2022. Keep on trapping.